guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are keeping well. If you're new on my channel, please do subscribe and join the fam. And if you are coming back, hey double A gang, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how I achieved this look using products that are under 100 rands. So if you want to look good like me, period, but you also don't want to break the bank, then please keep on watching. You chose the right video. And yeah, please don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. And also, if you have any questions, then leave them in the comment section down below. Let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start up with this primer serum from Wet n Wild to prime my face, and then after that I'll go with my foundation. Oh child. And then next I'm gonna apply this foundation from City. I bought this foundation a few years ago, if you guys remember. If you watched my drugstore makeup tutorial that I did, I think I did it 2 years back. I'm gonna link it in the description box down below so that you can check it out if you want to. But I bought this foundation from Edgar's, and it's really affordable. I'm not really sure if they still have it, but it was like 40 rands at the time, and I haven't used it in such a long time. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and it's in the shade Soft Beige. This foundation just melts into your skin. Like, I really love it. I just hope they still have it at Edgar's. I need to go and check it out because mine is finished. It's finished. Love it, Sana. And then for concealer, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using the shade Cool 10. On top, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Eraser. I'm in the shade Ivory. I think it's number 95. Yes, not Ivory, Cool Ivory. And I'm just gonna a little bit. To set my face, I am using the Revlon Candid powder in the shade 002. And then for contour, I'm gonna use my Scarlethill. And then for blush, I am using my AA Beauty palette, all-time fave. And then now I am doing my eyebrows. I'm just gonna use a brown pencil. You can use any brown pencil that you have. I am using this one. It has black this side and then it has brown. So I'm obviously gonna be using the brown side. Right now, guys, I am using this shade over here, the same shade I used as a blush, and I'm just gonna blend these two shades together. I'm gonna be using. This is lash glue over here, guys. This liquid liner is from Wet n Wild. Love it. From Essence Cosmetics. This mascara is the best, guys. I always tell you guys this, please don't sleep on this mascara, okay? Literally the best. It's 100 Rand from Clicks. Love it. So I just stuck on my lashes and now I'm just gonna dust off the powder. We're almost done, guys. And then now we are moving to highlighter. I'm using this highlighter from Essence. It has like 3 shades, so I really love it. And I'm gonna use the darkest shade here, this one. To line my under eye, I'm gonna use this liner from Essence Cosmetics as well. And then to set my makeup, I'm gonna use this Ushas primer spray as my setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray it all over my face. I'm really undecisive about what lipstick to wear, but I think let me try this one and let's see how it looks. I bought this from Legit. It's a matte nude lipstick, so let's see, Shara. And ta-da! This is our face, guys. I am done. Yo, there you go. Let me know what you guys think. You see, guys, you don't need to have millions, or you don't need to spend thousands to get a good face beat. This is a decent, great face beat, and all the products I used are like under 100 rands, so they are really affordable. As I told you guys, the foundation is literally 40 rands. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, guys.